Hey guys, today I'm going to show how we can export our code from Lovable and bring it to Cursor. And as we change stuff in Cursor, change the code in Cursor, we can bring it back to Lovable if you want to use it again. So to get started, I have here Lovable open, and to do it, we are going to use GitHub. So GitHub is basically the platform where we can host our code. If you don't have an account yet, you can just type github.com and create your account here. I already have my account, so what I'm going to do is click on this icon here inside Lovable and say connect to GitHub. Okay, so when I do that, it shows me some options here, and that I can connect a project to have two-way sync, and that's exactly what we want. We want a way where we connect to GitHub, and every time that Cursor does some change, the change displays here, and when Lovable does some change, it sends automatically to GitHub. So let's connect the project. That's the organization. I'm gonna continue and connect. So now it's connecting. Here we go. The project is connected now, and as we can see here, it gives us the URL for the project. I already have the client called GitHub here locally, so I would say to you, install GitHub Desktop. It's the easiest way to clone your code from this remote GitHub account to your desktop. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go here and select clone repository, and this will ask for the path of the repository that I want to download. And what I'm gonna do here, I could use the URL that I just copied, but since it's my own account, I'm just gonna refresh here, and I should see an account with the name, with this name here. So here it is. This is the project that was created inside my own GitHub account. So I'm gonna select that, and here in the bottom you can see the path where this will be downloaded to. So I'm gonna click on clone, and that's it. The project was cloned to my machine. So now what I'm gonna do is open Cursor, and in Cursor I'm gonna open the folder that I just cloned. So go here in W, and here it is. All right, so now we have the project here, and I'm gonna ask Cursor to do one small change. Let's say change the color of our buttons to red. And now once Cursor does this change, we're gonna send this change back to GitHub and see if Lovable is able to show those changes. All right, Cursor just finished doing the change. I'm gonna accept it. And here in this tab, if you click here, you can see the change that were made here in this file. So what I'm gonna do now is type the message of the commit change that I just made. So I'm gonna say change the button color. And then when I commit, what I'm basically doing is saving those changes to this repo that we just created. And when I click here in sync, what this is doing is basically sending those changes to the remote GitHub account that we have created. So now that I send it up, we can go to the Lovable website again, and once we refresh here, we should see our changes. All right, really Lovable. We can see that the index file that we created actually changed. So if I copy here the new color, it's actually already updated here. So basically what it means is any change that you do on your local and you send to GitHub will automatically sync with Lovable, and Lovable will be able to show those changes. The same way will work if we do changes in Lovable, it will automatically send to our GitHub account, but then you need to come back to Cursor and just click here, and then just receive those changes back to your project. To do that, you only need to click on the pull button, and it will get the change from your remote GitHub account back to your computer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can export the change that you have in Lovable to Cursor or VS Code or any other IDE that you are using locally, and send them back to Lovable if you want to. Well, that's it for today. Thanks, folks.